Today we will be subtracting with fractions. Common Core State Standard 5.NF.1. Number and operations fractions. Use equivalent fractions as a strategy to add and subtract fractions. Add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators, including mixed numbers, by replacing given fractions with equivalent fractions in such a way as to produce an equivalent sum or difference of fractions with like denominators.
Students will know how to subtract with unlike denominators. Students will understand that if you have an unlike denominator, you can use a set model to find a like denominator. Students will be able to demonstrate subtracting fractions using the set model.
Our fraction we will be doing today for you is 4/5 minus 2/3. To begin, let's draw out the fraction using the set model we used last week when discussing common denominators. For the first fraction, you will have 4 solid dots representing the numerator and 1 open dot that represents the denominator. For 2/3, you will do the same. Solid dots represent the numerator and all the dots together equal the denominator. Next, you're going to compare denominators to make the groups even. So 4/5 has 5 groups, so you need to make 2/3 have 5 groups as well. Excellent job. Do the same for 2/3, making the fraction 4/5 have 3 equal groups. Now you're going to create new fractions that will have common denominators. So, your new fractions will be all the solid dots on top as the numerator. So for 4/5, count all the solid dots and write your new numerator.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. Do the same for 2/3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
To get the total dots for the denominator, add all the dots and write them underneath your numerators for both fractions.
12, 13, 14, 15.
That is a great example of a student-invented strategy.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So what does 4/5 equal now?
12/15.
What does 2/3 equal now?
10/15.
So now, since you have common denominators on the bottom, you can subtract the same way you would when using common denominators, and you should get what?
Well, 12 minus 10 is 2, so 2/15.
Excellent job. Now we will be getting into small groups and doing a problem as a group. The problem I would like you guys to do in groups is 5/8 minus 1/2. Work together to come up with the steps to solving this problem the way Lindley demonstrated on the board, please.
Well, I'll draw out 5/8. Do you want to draw out 1/2?
Sure.
So the solid dots are the numerator?
Yeah. Okay.
So now we need equal groups, right, with the denominator, or with the...
Yeah, so I'll draw 2 groups and you draw 8 groups?
Yeah, that sounds right.
So now we count the solid ones for the numerator, right?
Okay.
And then all of them together are the denominator.
Mhm. Did you get 16?
Yep.
Great.
So then that's just 10 minus 8 is 2. 2/16.
2/16.
Awesome. We're done.